What's up, my people? How na dey? I don't carry another better update carry come. So today I will make we talk about this particular update here. So I've been collecting some more thing from this update yesterday, and today I want to tell you na how I use to collect that small thing. If this is me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Here they talk about different side also for my channel. If I use anything and it makes sense, I will come here and share around my people. So if you want to collect better update from my side, make sure you like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe so that anytime I drop any updates, then go notify you, and you go be the first person to come check them out. Make sure you comment where they watch this video from for comment section. I go really appreciate you. So today I want to talk about this particular update where they call Freebyz. This one no be tutorial, this one a review. I come here to come review. I know they do tutorial. If you define tutorial, make sure you check my Citizen account. I don't already do that tutorial. I drop from my Citizen account. Go follow me for my Citizen account. And also a disclaimer, this one no be tutorial, this one a review, and this one no be financial advice. Me, I no be financial advisor. I just want to share my opinion. You get one kind new update with Freebyz don't carry come, and this update don't help me. I don't collect small thing, and because of that, I just want to tell you now so that me could know see another feature don't come out too, so that when I go know as when I go to do. And for those of you now we don't know about Freebyz now update we come out contact. So if they use their updates, make it they do small thing like that, make it they collect. They get plenty features. They get their jobs. We be say if you get skill, if you come, you can list your skill like video editing, any kind of skill. Now person where they find workers, if you come here, can hire you, make you go complete work, give them, then go pay you. You understand? Here now they get that one. Now they get micro tax. We be say according to them, just if they complete this small work, them make it they collect every single day for their updates. And I don't they use this update since around 2023, if I know they're wrong. Yeah, around 2023 till date. You know, they don't get their ups and downs, which we will talk about today and for this particular video. But for so far, the update now update will make sense. And yesterday I received some more thing from them around 30k. So I just feel like I need to come here and talk about their new features, and also I go share my opinion. Then I go list their pros and cons. I go drop their ratings, the new ratings, so I could give them, because I been give them ratings for the other videos. But this new video, I'll give them another ratings, make we see if they don't improve, they don't decline. Okay, don't forget, make you drop your own ratings for comment section so that people go know how you feel about the update. So wetin can be the update? So recently they can announce say they don't drop their app for Google Play Store. Now wetin they talk be that, so they can launch their app. Even myself, I can't go check them out. I can't go see their app for Google Play Store. But not even that one say I won't even talk about. What I want to talk about be say this their app where they can launch so for Google Play Store. They can add some kind event behind this app where they talk say if you feel accomplish this particular event as you install this their app, so see you go they collect extra and something for the platform. You understand? And so now what me I do be that. Another thing too, then talk say if you feed create video post and for social media talk about this their new app, say you go collect small something too if that your video can't get like 5,000 10,000 views, all those kind of things like that. Say you go collect. So when I we sabi do video for TikTok, we sabi do video for Facebook, we sabi do video for Instagram, all those kind of things like that. And if you do small video like that, just talk about Freebyz and their new app, then to say they will give you small thing. So now what me I do be that I can't talk about them and post them for Facebook. That video can't give me around 30,000 views for Facebook. Now they can't send that 30k for my account. You understand? So now so I take collect that 30k. So now the new event be this way, then they run and then get small order and something way if you do for the platform, make it they collect. What be some of the pros and cons with Freebyz gets? The first pro be say Freebyz now one of the platforms so I don't use and take where the platform don't day for some time now, for some years now. You understand? Now the second pro now can be say and a platform will get plenty features. The third pro can be say a platform will be say if you understand them very easily as a new person. The fourth pro now can be say they don't launch their app for Google Play Store. Will be say anybody if you just check them out Now another pro now come be say Freebyz, their tax come make small sense and then get plenty tax. Another pro come be say for Freebyz, if you come on your small something put for your OP, you understand, directly, which means if you use it locally. Now not just that, people with the international too if you use them, because if you use PayPal, carry come on your small something for Freebyz. Another thing I like about them be that now what be some of the things I don't like about them. Now number one, they don't increase their premium feature. Now before they collect around 1k, but now na 3k, you understand. Another thing I don't like about them na their tax approval time. It takes some time before they feel approve your tax. Now another thing I don't like about them be say their withdrawal no be instantly, go wait for like 1 week, which means if you dey in a hurry, you know, if you come out small thing, make you see you go collect them till Friday or till after 5 days, you understand. So now some of the things I know like about them be that now their new ratings, if I want currently rate Freebyz, I feel give them around, I go give them 7/10 or 7.5/10, 7.5/10, because they don't last past most of the update them what I don't they use since 2023, and some of their features don't improve and they don't come launch your app. So I feel give them 7.5/10 ratings. For now, if anything improve, I go change my ratings. If anything go down, I go change my ratings. So now what thing I want to talk about today night be that. So what do you think about their new app? What do you think about Freebyz? What do you think about their events? Just drop your opinion for comment section, my people. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.